Before you skip this WAEC question because it looks difficult, watch how it gets solved in less than 30 seconds. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time across this channel. Here we make mathematics, statistics and physics easy. So feel free to click the subscribe button to join in any community. Today we have a WAEC question that looks very long, and this question is dedicated to the past video I made on 10 tricks you need before you enter your WAEC exam hall. Trick number 10 says, don't panic at long question. This question is very long, but it looks very easy, and we'll solve it in 30 seconds. Let's start together. A WAEC student connected several appliances in a house circuit, including a refrigerator, television, electric iron, and standing fan. During the lesson, teacher explained that electric power depends on both. During the lesson, the teacher explained that electric power depends on both current and voltage supplied to the appliances. An electric heater connected to a 240 volt supply draws a current of 8 ampere. If the heater operates continuously for 5 minutes, calculate the electric energy consumed. Whoa, this is a very long question. Any student that don't understand the last trick I made on the video displayed on the screen right now, which under tricks you need for your entire exam hall, once you see this long question, you panic and you skip it. You will not want to know how easy it is or give it a chance. So let's try. Let's solve it together. Solution. We said an electric heater connected to a 240 volt supply, right? So that means our voltage is 240 volts. So let's go. Solution. Our voltage V equals to 240 volts. And also they said draws a current of 8 ampere. So our I equals to what? 8 ampere. If the heater operates continuously for 5 minutes, so our time equals to 5 minutes. Calculate the energy consumed. So energy equals to unknown. As you can see in this question, they don't tell us to find the time or find the current. They only gave us the units. That's why I made it. I taught specifically on how to learn unit patterns on that particular trick. That video is very important. Ensure after you watch this video, you go and watch that particular video. The 10 tricks you need to get A in physics in WAEC. After this video, ensure you watch that particular video. So now we know that the formula for power, P, equals to VI, right? And also power is also energy over time. So if you relate these two formulas, let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. If you relate these two, you can say that energy equals to PT, which is what? Power times time. From equation 2, energy equals to power times time, right? And from equation 1, our power is VI. So putting equation 1 into our, let's call this equation 3. So let's substitute equation 1 into equation 3. What do we have? We have that energy equals to VIT, because of power is VI. So now we have all we need to solve this question. So our energy equals to, our voltage is what? 240 times our I is 8 times our time is in 5 minutes, but we can't solve in minutes. We need to convert it to this SI, which is what? Seconds. 60 seconds make 1 minute. So 5 times 60 make, so 300 seconds will make 5 minutes, because 5 times 60 will give you 300. So we have 300 seconds. We have 300 seconds here. So now putting it times 300. If you point this, you'll get 576,000, which is 576,000 joules. So this WAEC question is looking so big like this. We solve it with just one formula, which is what? Energy equals to VIT, which is voltage times current times time. So don't panic when you see a long question. Calm down and analyze it first. You see it has just one formula to solve it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.